Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. If you're hanging out for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell, and you'll be notified the next time I upload. Y'all, today I'm excited to share with y'all that the Beetles French White Gel Nail Polish Kit that I got a few days ago, a few weeks ago, depending on when you're watching this video. I am actually going to be trying out that first pink shade on my nails. So let's just get ready to polish these babies up and make them look halfway decent today. And mind you, I'm only doing this color temporarily as I do need to do all of my nails, but I wanted to try this shade out because it's so pretty. Y'all, I'm excited about doing this. So let me get my nails all polished up and I'll be back in just a moment to let you see what the shade looks like. I can already tell on camera it's not as vivid as it is in person because it does have a beautiful Barbie pink color to it. So let me just get started here, and I am definitely cleaning up the gel away from around my cuticles before I put it under the lamp, because you know, if you've ever done gel nail polish before, you don't want that on your skin when you put your hand under that lamp. And let me just tell you, I'm using, again, the Beetles French White Gel Nail Polish Kit. You get a pack of 6 in the kit, like the nude pink glitter gel polish. These are soak off nail polishes and they cure under UV LED lamps, and it's so easy and they'll stay on. Man, your color will stay on your nails, I know, 3 weeks or more, because this gel polish is just the thing, you know, it's just the new thing. And I love this little set. These colors here were super nice, I thought, for every occasion for sure. And the nail lamp that I'm using, I also did a review on it. I will have it linked in the description box, as well as the iCard. If you're on your mobile device, you'll be able to actually click on that iCard and check out any attached videos. In the right hand corner, if you're looking at your screen right now, you'll see a little eye up there, and it will lead you right to the other videos that I have. So it takes but a second just to do your gel polish. And of course, the great part about it is once you cure and do all of that jazz, you're done. You don't have to sit around and wait for it to dry. So I'm just taking my time here, trying to get it as neat as possible. Again, I'm doing this on a temporary just to get this shade down and see if I really like it. And I'm pretty sure, of course, I do. I love pink anyway, so it's really nice. And anytime you're doing gel polish, just remember to always pay attention to what the actual brand or maker of that polish is telling you to do with the polish, how long to keep it under the UV LED lamp. That way you won't go wrong. And I love Beetles products. They make quality products, very affordable, right on Amazon. Most of the time that I know of, I've purchased them time and time again. It's always Amazon Prime. So that is a good thing. If you don't have your Prime subscription, you need to be getting it, because that's the way to save that shipping cost, which can really tear a hole in my pocketbook, because I order from Amazon all the time. Without Prime, no, I couldn't shop like I do. Definitely get Amazon Prime. I'll have my link below. I'd love it if you sign up, and definitely make sure you use my link if you do. I appreciate the support on this channel to keep things going so I can test out new products time and time again. So once the nails are done, I'm going to let you check them out. So let me go ahead and finish up, and I'll be right back to you. Now, I do not have the Beetles top coat, so I don't have the base coat or the top coat. I do plan on getting their base coat and top coat for my nails, because again, they make quality products that you'll be pleased with You know, I can't even remember a time that I was unhappy about something I got from this Beetles brand on Amazon. So I'm definitely excited to get more of their products. And you just wipe it off with alcohol, and voila, there's one hand done. So I have both hands completed. Now I'm just going to wipe off that top coat with some alcohol, and that's what I have in this little container. I also got these containers from Amazon. Let me just make sure I link everything down below in the event that you want to purchase these items that I'm using that I love. You can definitely find them in the description box. So now that my fingers are all done, I am just going to go ahead and put on me some oil. This is black raspberry oil, and I put this on my cuticles and my hands so they won't be looking dry, and it really helps nourish your cuticles and nails. And I'm finished, beautiful babes. This is it. This is my hands, nails all done, looking fresh and clean. I love, again, this pink shade, and you will find all of these beautiful shades just gorgeous, even from the glitters and the other colors that's in here. This will delight you for sure. I'm loving my nails. They look fresh. Beautiful babes, thank you so much for stopping by Sugar Fingers. I am your girl, Sweet Angel. If you have not subscribed, please do so and hit that post notification bell. You'll be notified the next time I upload. I look forward to seeing you again right here on Sugar Fingers on the next video. Take care, and please keep those hands looking gorgeous.